Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy POPCAT meme coin. In order to get this token, open up your browser and log on to coinmarketcap.com. The link will be in the description of the video. Now simply scroll through and copy its Solana contract address. And if you scroll a bit more to the market, you can find out where this coin is being traded. And as you can see here, we have Bybit, we have KuCoin, we have Radium, and we have Jupiter. Now, these are the decentralized exchanges and centralized exchanges that are trading this token as we speak. In order to buy this token, minimize and open up a centralized exchange. The centralized exchange we're going to be working with for today's video is KuCoin. So make sure you have an account on KuCoin. So now click on KuCoin. Once you've opened up KuCoin, if you do not have an account, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 3,200 USDT worth of welcome gifts and bonuses when you register and verify your account. You verified your account. How can you get yourself some of the POPCAT meme coin? To get this meme coin, make sure you have USDT. If you do not have USDT, click on the deposit option to simply deposit any cryptocurrency that can be converted into USDT, or you could deposit fiat currency like the euro or the Brazilian real to be able to get yourself some USDT. So guys, once you've gotten yourself some USDT, head to the trade icon at the bottom of the screen. Where we have CAT USDT, click on the drop down and simply search for POPCAT USDT. So search for POPCAT USDT, click on this, and then where we have the market, you'd see limit. So click on limit and select market option. This helps us buy at the current price of the market. Now simply enter the amount of USDT you wish to buy, and then simply click on buy POPCAT. So once you've clicked on the option to buy POPCAT, you'll be buying the POPCAT for the amount you've entered, and you would now find it in your assets at funding or trading. So guys, that's how you can get it on the centralized exchange. For the decentralized option, minimize and open up your wallet. Remember from CoinMarketCap, the token was a Solana token, so it's going to be with a Solana wallet. So now all you need to do is open up a Solana wallet, and in this case, we're going to be working with the Phantom wallet. So once you've opened up the Phantom wallet, make sure you have Solana on this wallet. If you do not, click on the option to deposit it via your wallet address. You could easily copy your wallet address and deposit this coin, or you could simply use the buy option to buy yourself some Solana through the various options that are provided, such as MoonPay, your credit card, your Google Bank transfer. Now, to get yourself some of the POPCAT meme coin, head to the browser section. Once there, simply select Jupiter, which is the decentralized exchange we'll be working with. So jup.ag, once it opens, alright, with it opened, make sure you connect your wallet. So you can use this option to connect your wallet to the platform. And once you've connected your wallet to jup.ag, simply have, instead of USDC, switch their places so you use your Solana to trade. And now with our Solana, we're going to be buying the POPCAT meme coin. So simply paste its contract address here, select POPCAT, and then for half of our Solana being $3.33 and 31 cents, we can be getting a good amount of the POPCAT meme coin. So all you need to do once it's loaded up, simply click on the option to trade or to swap your Solana for POPCAT meme coin by clicking on the swap option. Once you've done that, you'd find the POPCAT on your wallet here. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.